In this video, I will show you how to book a flight on United Airlines. So in order to do that, what you can do is just head over to united.com and then hover to this book option. Now input right here your from and to destination. Like for example, let's put in here London. And then it will show you in here some suggestions. Then input right here the date that you would want to travel. So for example, let's choose May 4 to May 18. And then just choosing here how many travelers as well as what you want. It can be economy, economy or business or first. For this one, I'll just choose economy and then click on please find flights option right here. And then once you have done that, this will find some flights available that they will actually show us right here. So here's some suggestion. We have in here this basic economy, economy, as well as economy that's fully refundable. We have premium as well as business. So for example, let's head over and then choose one. Let's choose in here this economy part right here for this particular part. And you can see in here the flight details and the like as well. So just hover to the particular flight that you would want to book. Now, once you have done that, this will load for a little while in order to show you their interface. And then just choosing here the actual return flight that you would want. Let's choose in here this economy part. And then once you have done that, this will load again in order to help us go over to the particular status and membership and then input our traveler info. And you can see here total. Head over and click on continue in order to proceed with this flight and book it.